Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix security boot not working properly error in FACEIT. In this video, see before like and comment this video, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. In the steps one by one follow to this problem fix it. If you want more gaming and technical issues videos like this, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. Let's start the steps. First step for the restart. So go to the start menu. Click on the power button, select the restart button, click it to restart your system. Sometimes this method work it, just try it. Then go to the next step, run a statement, face it. So go to the desktop, find that game, that application, then right click, click on the properties, then go to the camera tab, then check for select the camera mode. Below check for select the run this program as administrator. Once it's selected, hit the apply and OK button, click here to close it. Then go to the next step, disable memory integrator. So go to the Windows search bar, then type that Windows security. Then go to the device security. Then you can click on the core isolation details. Memory integrated, if this turn it on, just click to turn it off. Then close it. Restart your system, again check it. Then go to the next step, clear TPM. So go to the Windows search bar, then type that run. Then run box type tpm.msc. Then hit the OK button, click here to new tab open. Then clear TPM, click here, click to all TPM clear it. After that, close it. Then go to the next step, secure boot enable or check it. So go to the Windows search bar, then type that system information. Then scroll down, click on the secure boot status. Here off. So you can go to that BIOS. After that, then click on the secure boot mode. Then just click this arrow, select the standard mode. Once it's selected, then close it. Close it, then restart your system. After that, your problem fix it. If you have any doubt, subscribe to comment our YouTube channel. I give the answer. And like and comment this video. Subscribe to support our YouTube channel. This method working or not working, comment section go to comment. If you want more technical gaming and videos like this, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.